fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your leader in Launch Mobile. To do so, you first need to open your Launch Mobile app on your device. And once you've done that, first you need to click on your portrait, which is on the top left side of your screen, like so, and click on this option right here, which is Change Leader. As you can see, my current leader is Oathkeeper. Now, if I click on another portrait of the hero, for example, this hero called Sage of Storms, and then press Confirm, my leader will be changed. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Stace. Happy gaming!